Question 13. In a series of experiments to find out the order of reaction with respect to reactant X, which graph would show the reaction is second order with respect to X? Well, the graphs don't come down, they go up, so as you increase the concentration of X, the rate's going to increase. The question is, does it increase proportionately or does it increase on a curve? First order reaction is, overall first order reaction is a straight line, a curve is second order, so your answer is D. Which equation represents the process that occurs when the standard enthalpy of atomization of iodine is measured? Standard enthalpy is at room temperature, so at 25 degrees C. So first of all, the gases are out, so iodine is a black solid, so it's either A or B. Both making gases is correct. I need to make 1 mole of atoms, so I need half I2. This is going to give double the value, making 2 moles of atoms. So the fact that I've got a solid indicates that it's in the correct state, a solid iodine, black solid at room temperature 25 degrees C, and making 1 mole of atoms. The answer is A. Which structure is formed by aspartic acid and a solution at pH 12? Well, pH 12 is basic. A base accepts H pluses, so it's going to remove H pluses from one of these chemicals. It will remove H pluses from the COOH and remove the H plus and leave COO minus. So that's correct. The problem is here that I've got another COOH here which isn't affected. So both of them will be affected, especially in such a highly basic solution as pH 12. So I'm looking for 2 COOH minuses. My answer is D. So this will remove an H plus from both of these carboxylic acid groups. How many peaks in the 13 carbon NMR spectrum of 1,4-dimethylbenzene? Let's have a look at 1,4-dimethylbenzene. Well, it's completely symmetrical, so carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 2 methyl groups, one at carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,4-dimethylbenzene. So the thing is, it's completely symmetrical, so in terms of equivalent carbons, the carbon here, the methyl group here, the carbon in the methyl group here, and the carbon in the methyl group here are in the same environment. So that's 1. These 2 on the corner are 2. These 2 are 3. And actually these are 3 as well because it's symmetrical. So these 2 are in the same environment as these 2. So I've got the 2 methyl groups, the 2 carbons here is a second peak, and then the other 4 carbons in the ring are a third peak. The answer is C.